boots, blood on my knuckles, I ain't here to play. Sky spitting rain, but I'm ripping down this red dirt anyway. Didn't wake up for the quiet, hell no, I crave the road. Loud pop, shotgun, see, you banging on my door. Grit under fingernails, life never needed pretty. Can't fake it out here where every mile shows you gritty. Buzz in my chest, a southern pride, it don't ever die. Barbed wire heart, but my flag flies high. Raise hell, tailgate, stomp hard, never break. Bonfires burning my crew by the lake. Outlaw forever, we never bow down. This is our anthem, the law of the backwoods crown. Raise them up, screaming loud, ain't nobody gonna shut us out. But on the speakers, freedom in the sound. This is the outlaw anthem, get used to the sound. I see you watching from the porch, jealous of the way we turn up. Cold cans in hands while we howl and burn the night up. Brothers, better lifted Chevy's not a damn care in sight. Tie spinning, middle finger out, flipping off the night. If you ain't with it, just turn around, keep on moving. We don't need fake folks, our tribe stays bruised. Buzz in my chest, that southern pride, it don't ever die. Barbed wire heart, but my flag flies high. Barbed wire heart, but my flag flies high. Raise hell, tailgate, stomp hard, never break. Bonfires burning my crew by the lake. Outlaw forever, we never bow down. This is our anthem, the law of the backwoods crown. Raise them up, screaming loud, ain't nobody gonna shut us out. But on the speakers, freedom in the sound. It's the outlaw anthem, get used to the sound. Middle of nowhere suits me just fine. Ain't about money, it's about this line. Brotherhood thicker than that smoke in the sky. We live rough, we love hard, we never say die. Raise hell, tailgate, stomp hard, never break. Bonfires burning my crew by the lake. Outlaw forever, we never bow down. This is our anthem, the law of the backwoods crown. Raise them up, screaming loud, ain't nobody gonna shut us out. But on the speakers, freedom in the silence is the outlaw anthem, get used to the sound. Raise one up, tell the world can't nobody break us down. Why we always chase the night when morning comes? These old burning rubber spinning, here we run. A dust cloud house rising like the questions in my mind. Left the pavement, left the world we left behind. Can you feel it in the air tonight? Something wild, something right. Engines roaring, hearts collide. Nothing left but southern pride. Why we living like we're never gonna die? Mud on boots and stars up in the sky. Thunder roll through these veins so deep. Why we always looking for that rebel beat? Flags are flying, brothers by my side. Why we living like we're never gonna die? Why these backwards feel like freedom in disguise? Fire crackling, bottles clanking, no goodbyes. Every mile marker tells another tale of truth. While we're chasing down the ghost of wasted youth. Can you feel it in the air tonight? Something wild, something right. Engines roaring, hearts collide. Nothing left but southern pride. Why we living like we're never gonna die? More boots veins so deep? Why we always looking for that rebel beat? Flags on fire and brothers by my side, while we living like we're never gonna die. Who we are when nobody's around, lost and found in this battleground. Why we need this noise to feel alive, why we always have to fight to thrive. Never gonna die. Mud on boots and stars up in the sky. Thunder rolling through these veins so deep, while we always looking for that rebel beat. Flags on flying, brothers by my side, while we living like we're never gonna die. Why we always chase the night when morning comes? Here we are, here we run. Yeah, yeah. Boots on the ground, never backing down. You think you know me, but you don't know nothing. Muddy boots stomping, diesel truck rolling, stars and stripes flying, bonfire burning. You think you know me, but the tables are turning. Thought I was just another small town boy, underestimated what I could destroy. Friday night lights and a cooler full of beer, but there's fire in my eyes that you couldn't see clear. Lift a Chevy rolling through the county line, dirt road dust kicking up behind. You counted me out before the race began. Now I'm standing tall, yeah, I'm my own man. Backwoods raised, but my vision's wide. American dreams I will not hide. Brotherhood strong, we ride or die. Time to show you what's been inside. What's been inside? You think you know me, but you don't know nothing. Muddy boots stomping, diesel truck rumbling, stars and stripes flying, bonfire burning. You think you know me, but the tables are turning. Listen up, I was born where the cornfields grow. Mama taught me right from wrong, daddy showed me how to throw a punch when it matters, stand up for what's true. Never thought a country kid could do what I can do, but I've been climbing mountains that you never even saw, breaking through the barriers, breaking every law. It says I can't make it past this county line. Now I'm proving everybody wrong, one word at a time. Beer bottles clinking around the fire pit at night, but by morning I'm grinding, yeah, I'm ready to fight for everything I believe in, everything I've learned from the lessons that my granddaddy taught and I learned. Respect ain't given, man, it's something that you earn, and bridges that you burn might never return. But I'd rather stand alone with my head held high than bow down to people who don't understand my life. Freedom ain't free, that's what they say. I pay the price every single day. Blood, sweat, and tears on the sacred ground. That's the only way true strength is found. Yeah, yeah. You think you know me, but you don't know nothing. Muddy boots stomping, diesel truck rumbling, stars and stripes flying, bonfire burning. You think you know me, but the tables are turning. Ground, never backing down. Tables are turning. Tables are turning, yeah. Yeah. under slow burning dust. Gravel kicks back, red dust in my lungs. Lifted rolling those back road lines. Headlights bite, every mile's begun. Chill beer, burl knuckles on the wheel. Chrome shines in the dark, midnight kneel. Freedom's heat rise, summer bite on the breeze. Ain't chasing trouble, just a while. Them stomping mud, flying out the tailgate crowd. Raise it high, let the anthem shake the ground. Cold cans crack by my side, la la la. Stars above, but the fire burns lighter tonight. Boots in the clay, pride in our veins. This back road anthem never gonna fade. Shout it, live it, let it out now. Proud and rowdy, wild and unbound. Flags wave slow in the smoke and heat. Banjo picks a line through the thundering beat. Dirt stained hearts got streaks of steel. Nothing fake in a world so real. Tall tales traded laughter thick as the trees. Flames licking low while the world just breathes. Unwritten laws, just the sound of the pines. Flow through the field, let the law so fine. We're stomping mud, flying out the tailgate crowd. Raise it high, let the anthem shake the ground. Cold cans crack, brothers bow, hold on my side. Stars above, but the fire burns brighter tonight. Boots in the clay, pride in our veins. This back road anthem never gonna fade. Shout it, live it, let it out now. Proud and rowdy, wild and unbound. Long nights, the engine growls. Echo out for miles, we don't slow down. Ash in the air, boots painted brown. Cicadas humming that rebel sound. We're stomping mud, flying out the tailgate crowd. Raise it high, let the anthem shake the ground. Cold cans crack, brothers by my side. Stars above, but the fire burns gold in the night. Boots in the clay, pride in our veins. Back row anthem, never gonna fade. Shout it, live it, let it out now. Proud and rowdy, wild and unbound. Let it ride, let it ride, yeah. I rode deep through these backwoods, ain't nobody stopping me. Lifted truck, sitting high, mud came my property. Born and raised where the gravel meets the clay, where we work our asses off and party hard all day. Fuck what you heard about us country folk. We grind harder than the city, that ain't no damn joke. Boots laced tight, got that dirt beneath my nails. Building something real while your fake ass fails. Mud and pride, that's the only thing that keeps me satisfied. Every scar tells a story, every bruise earned right. Mud and pride, living light was won't apologize. Mud and pride running through my veins. Mud and pride driving me insane. When I bleed it's red, white and blue. Mud and pride, that's what I'll die for too. Mud and pride can't wash it clean. Mud and pride, living the American dream. Born from sweat and sacrifice. Mud and pride, that's my fucking price. Got my brothers by my side when the world gets rough. We stick together through the bullshit when times get tough. Raised on values that your generation forgot. Respect, loyalty, and freedom, that's all we got. Fuck your fancy suits and corporate lies. I'd rather have these callous hands and honest eyes. My daddy taught me how to fight for what is mine. Now I'm teaching my son to walk the same line. Mud and pride, built this life with my own hands, won't step aside. Every dollar that I make comes from breaking my back. Never asking for a handout, staying on track. Mud and pride running through my veins. Mud and pride driving me insane. When I bleed it's red, white and blue. Mud and pride, that's what I'll die for too. Mud and pride can't wash it clean. Mud and pride, living the American dream. Born from sweat and sacrifice. Mud and pride, that's my fucking price. Mud and pride, mud and pride, mud and pride, mud and pride. this is who we are. Mud and pride, never gonna change. Pride, mud and pride. You can judge me by the dirt on my shirt, but I know what I'm worth. Every scar is a lesson learned. Every bridge that I burned led me back to what matters most. This is what I'll always boast. Mud and pride, that's my legacy I won't hide. Mud and pride running through my veins. Mud and pride keeping me sane. When I die, bury me deep in the soul where my secrets I keep. Mud and pride carved in stone. Mud and pride, this is my home. Born from sweat and sacrifice. Mud and pride paid the ultimate price. Jotted down my name on a muddy old page. Red dirt fingerprints, always been that way. Lifted Chevy Island backseat full of kin. Whiskey stained memories filling up my pen. First light comes creeping, boots stuck in clay. Ain't much to say yet, just burning for the day. Flags on the rear view, roaring out the gate. A diary in chrome, letting fate navigate. Buckets of empty cans clanking to the beat. Fire popping louder when the night hits its heat. Brothers laugh, echo hell, the girls down the ride. We stomping out the silence, nowhere left to hide. Raise them high, let them wave in a wave. Raise them high, let them wave in a wave. Minutes inked in, tire tracks tearing up the bend. Mud flying wild, ain't following trends. Old banjo picking the tail in my ear. Still hungry for freedom, that's how we steer. Talking about nights with a smoking cheap brew. Sunset stitching the sky with a raggedy hue. Every town's got a story, but ours runs deep. We howl at the moon, we never just sleep. Look, scratching out lines with a silver Zippo. Friday night rush, crank the bass real low. Thumping and thudding, that 808 thundering. Hop in the bed, best believe we ain't slumbering. Mud on the windshield, scars on my hand. Ain't nothing tender, this outlaw's brand. About 100 in the back, boots hitting the ground. Bonfire ignition, you know it's about to go down. Slide in the steel, slide in the six-pack. Ride every bruise from the south back, backpack. We shout, we stomp, we blast that sound. We stomp, we blast that sound. Raise them high, let them wave and wave. Raise them high, let them wave and wave. Freeze that grin, let the camera spin. Brothers in the embers raise a toast again. Scrawled and scratched, another night survived. Freedom ain't a feeling, it's the way we drive. Raise them high, let them wave and wave. Raise them high, let them wave and wave. Raise them high now, raise them high, yeah. Wave and wave, wave and wave, wave and wave. Hey! Yeah, I've been riding through these back roads, dust kicking up behind. My brother called me yesterday, said he had shit on his mind. We grew up in this same damn town where the whiskey flows like rain. Now he's talking about some change or staying in my lane. We ride hard, we die free, born and raised in the country. We ride hard. is who we're meant to be. Lifted truck sitting pretty, 35s on chrome, mud flaps swinging heavy. This dirt road's my home, brotherhood runs deeper than the creek behind my house. We party around that bonfire, ain't no room for doubt. Red, white, and blue waving high above the trees. Cold beer in my callous hands, do what I please. These boots been through hell and back, stomp through the muck. Outlaw pride pumping through my veins, don't give a fuck. We ride hard, we die free, born and raised in the country. We ride hard, we die free, this is who we're meant to be. From the holler to the highway, we don't bow, we don't break, stand our ground, make no mistake. Saturday night, we gathering, trucks lined up for miles, freedom ringing in the wild country smiles. My people know the struggle, know the grind from sun to sun. When the work week's finally over, that's when we have our fun. Is dropping, speakers thumping, bassline hitting hard, bottles passing around the circle in my grandpa's backyard. This life ain't for the weak-hearted, gotta have that grit. Country boy until I die, and I'm proud as shit. We ride hard, we die free, born and raised in the country. We ride hard, we die free, this is who we're meant to be. Yeah, we ride hard. This is our anthem. Stomp down, kick up dirt, raise hell, we don't ask permission. Boots hit, ground the moon up, night air full of ignition. Flags flying, smoke rising, bonfire heat, can you feel it? Hands up, bring that rowdy, never back, just lean in. Mud splash, headlight beams cutting wide through the trees. Metal, wood, and sweat, ain't no dress code, got holes in my jeans. Rims taller than fences, that diesel growling mean. Beer ice cold, let it breathe past it, keep the talk clean. Crack of the bottle pop, snap, and a rebel laugh. Tailgate slam, and we wildin' out back. Got my crew, got my kin, feet hitting the grass. Late night spit fine, never slow, move fast. Smoke thick, pulse quick, got us high, can't quit. Slide pick, steel grit, no sleep, just this. Stomp down, kick up dirt, raise hell, we don't ask permission. Boots hit, ground the moon up, night air full of ignition. Flags flying, smoke rising, bonfire heat, can you feel it? Hands up, bring that rowdy, never back, just lean in. Stomp down, stomp. Rolling deep, trucks flex, chrome teeth, paint flex. Banjo stringing wild and we breaking all necks. If you hear them howling, best believe we ain't done. Flashing lights in the rear, we just laugh and run. Skirt cutting ruts, mud chunks, staying hungry. Grit in my gums, red clay, dirt monkey. Feeling alive, got the southern in my veins. Whole feel wild, jumping like it's untamed. Hands in the firelight, boots pound, rhythm tight. Voices loud, never tired, take it high in the night. Stomp down, kick up dirt, raise hell, we don't ask permission. Boots hit, ground the moon up, night air full of ignition. Flags flying, smoke rising, dark, barefoot hearts, stomping past dawn. Backwoods pride, bring the heat, keep stomp going on, yeah. Down this back road, mud on my boots, back road, that's where I go. Back road, when the world gets loud. Back road, away from the crowd. Take me back road, where the dirt flies high and the music's loud. Back road, oh, back road, that's my home, that's where I'm proud. Back road, oh, ain't no stopping us now. Back road, yeah. Started young on that back road. Daddy's truck learned to drive slow, but now I'm flying down that back road. Brotherhood strong on the back road. Brothers riding never alone though. Fire burning bright on the back road. Back road. Take me back road, where the dirt flies high and the music's loud. Back road, that's my home, that's where I'm proud. Back road, ain't no stopping us now. Back road, yeah. Every Friday night, back road calling, stars so bright, never falling. Back road, that's my fire. Back road, feel alive. Take me back road, where the dirt flies high and the music's loud. Back road, that's my home, that's where I'm proud. Back road, no, ain't no stopping us now. Back road, yeah. Pull up in my ride, dust clouds behind. You been talking shit about to cross that line. Think you know me? Hell no, you don't. Been around these parts since I was young. Engines roaring loud, crowds gathering around. Time to settle this on this holy ground. Don't fuck around with a boy like me from this damn town. Don't fuck around. I'll show you what these boots about. Hey, don't fuck around. Yeah, don't fuck around. Bonfire burning bright, stars up in the sky. Your mouth keeps running, but your courage died. Flag flies high above, this is our land. You picked the wrong fight with the wrong damn man. Engines roaring loud, crowds gathering round. Time to settle this on this holy ground. around, don't fuck around with a boy like me from this damn town. Don't fuck around, don't fuck around. I'll show you what these boots about. Don't fuck around, don't fuck around. Been drinking all night, but I'm seeing clear. You came to my house, now you're full of fear. Brotherhood strong, we don't back down. This is our world, this is our ground. With a boy like me from this damn town. Don't fuck around, don't fuck around. I'll show you what these boots about. Hey, hey, don't fuck around, yeah, yeah. Don't fuck around. Mud on my jeans, fire in my eyes. You learned your lesson under southern skies. Don't fuck around, oh yeah. Don't fuck around.